Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. So in this video, I'll provide you 80 to 100 most important current affair question. So you have to attempt those questions in a paper and you can comment down your marks in the comment section below.
So, our first question is Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Ram Vilas Paswan, who passed away recently, was elected from which Lok Sabha constituency? Our first option is Vellore, Tamil Nadu. Our second option is Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Our third option is Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. And our fourth option is Hazirpur, Bihar. And our fifth option is Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. So, our correct answer is Hazirpur, Bihar. That is option number 4. Our second question is which is first state or UT in India to go digital in public education? And our option are first Kerala, second Chhattisgarh, third Telangana, fourth Puducherry and fifth Delhi. So our correct answer is option number 1, that is Kerala. Our next question is Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest peak in Africa, is located in which country? Our options are Tanzania, second Ethiopia, third Nigeria, fourth Uganda, and fifth Kenya. So our correct answer is option number 1, Tanzania. Our next question is which country has been re-elected as co-president of the International Solar Alliance for a term of 2 years at the third assembly of ISA held virtually? And the options are first Russia, second France, third China, fourth USA, and fifth Netherlands. So the correct answer is option number 2, that is France. Our next question is who has been elected as the Prime Minister of New Zealand? And the options are as follows. So the correct answer is option number 3, that is Jacinda Ardern. Our next question is who is the Indian author of world's first sign-tune book titled Bye Bye Corona? And the options are first Santosh Kumar, second Anandiben Patel, third Pradeep Kumar Srivastava, fourth Pramod Srivastav, and fifth Bansi Lal Bhatt. And the correct answer is the correct answer is option number 3, that is Pradeep Kumar Srivastav. Our next question is which is the first state to fix MSP, that is minimum support price or base price for 16 agricultural items which include vegetables, fruits and tubers? And the options are first Tamil Nadu, second Uttar Pradesh, third Madhya Pradesh, fourth Andhra Pradesh and fifth Kerala. So the correct answer is option number 5, that is Kerala. Our next question is, name the first Ramsar site of Uttarakhand which got recognition recently. And the correct answer is option number first, that is Asan Conservation Reserve. Our next question is, cricketer Umar Gul, who announced retirement recently, played for which country? And the options are as follows. First, Pakistan. Second, South Africa. Third, Afghanistan. Fourth, Bangladesh. Fifth, UAE. So, the correct answer is option number first, that is Pakistan. Our next question is, what was the theme for Global Hand Washing Day 2020, which was celebrated on October 15? And the options are first, our hands, our future. Second, clean hands for all. Third, hand hygiene for all. Fourth, clean hands, a recipe for health. Fifth, clean hands save lives. So, the correct answer is option number 3, that is hand hygiene for all. Our next question is, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh laid foundation stone for 450-meter long Nechupur tunnel in which state or UT? Our options are first, Uttarakhand. Second, Arunachal Pradesh. Third, Assam. Fourth, Meghalaya. And fifth, Gujarat. So, the correct answer is option number 2, Arunachal Pradesh. Our next question is, which organization has won Nobel Peace Prize 2020? And the options are as follows. First, United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. Second, International Committee of the Red Cross. Third, World Food Programme. Fourth, International Campaign to Abolish Nuclear Weapons. Fifth, Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons. And the correct answer is option number 3, World Food Programme. World Food Programme. Our next question is, India plans to build 100-bedded cancer hospital and 22,000-seaters cricket stadium in which country? Our first option is Nepal, second option is Mauritius, third is Mali, fourth Bangladesh, and fifth Maldives. So, the correct answer is option number 5, that is Maldives. Our next question is, what was the 2020 theme for the United Nations International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women, observed on November 25th to raise awareness about the crime against women? And the options are first, Orange the World, Hear Me Too. Option second is Orange the World, Generation Equality Stands Against Rape. Option number 3, Orange the World, Fund, Respond, Prevent and Collect. Option number 4, Orange the World, Men Against the Rape and Discrimination. And option number 5, Orange the World, My Voice. So, the correct answer is option number 3, Orange the World, Fund, Respond, Prevent and Collect. Our next question is, which tiger reserve received TX2 Tiger Conservation Awards 2020 for doubling the number of tigers in 4 years ahead of the target of 10 years? So the correct answer is option number 4, that is Pilibhit Tiger Reserve, and it is located in Uttar Pradesh. Our next question is, name the trilateral naval exercise held between Indian Navy, Royal Thai Navy and Republic of Singapore Navy from November 21 to November 22, 2020 at the Andaman Sea. And the correct answer is option number 2. Our next question is, who has won the Booker Prize 2020 for his debut novel Shuggie Bain? And the answer is option number 4, that is Douglas Stewart. Our next question is, who won the Dream 11 Indian Premier League 2020, that is 13th edition of IPL held at UAE? So the correct answer is option number 5, that is Mumbai Indians. Our next question is, name the first country to formally exit the Paris Climate Agreement. Our options are as follows: A. China, B. United States, C. India, D. Australia, E. France. And the correct answer is option number 2, United States. Our next question is, Ministry of Shipping has been renamed as, and the options are first Ministry of Ports, second Ministry of Shipping, third Ministry of Waterways, fourth Ministry of Jal Shakti, fifth Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. And the answer is option number 5, that is Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Our next question is, which state has won the first place in the Union Ministry of Jal Shakti's second National Water Awards for 2019 under the Best State category for the conservation and management of water? And the options are first Andhra Pradesh, second Goa, third Kerala, fourth Tamil Nadu and fifth Odisha. And the correct answer is option number 4, that is Tamil Nadu. Our next question is, United Nations UN's World Science Day for Peace and Development is observed on which date? And the options are first November 7, second November 8, third November 9, fourth November 10 and fifth November 11. And the correct answer is option number 4, that is November 10. Our next question is, name the first country to launch world's first 6G satellite named UESTC satellite with an aim to test communications from space. And the options are first US, second Japan, third China, fourth France, fifth Russia. And the correct answer is option number 3, that is China. Our next question is, what was the 2020 theme of United Nations World Diabetes Day is annually observed across the globe on 14th November? And the correct answer is Option number 4, that is the nurse and diabetes. Our next question is the world's oldest known cave painting dating back to more than 45,000 years was recently discovered in which country? And the options are first Australia, second New Zealand, third Indonesia, and fourth South Korea. And the correct answer is C, Indonesia. Our next question is who is the author of the book 10 Lessons for a Post Pandemic World? And the options are as follows. First, Ruchir Sharma, second, Sanjay Jha, third, Fareed Zakaria, and fourth, Gautam Bed. And the correct answer is option number C, that is Fareed Zakaria. Our next question is what is the official brand mascot of Tata Power Delhi Distribution Limited? And the options are as follows. First, Jigyasa, second, Netra, third, Rani, and fourth, Roshni. So the correct answer is option 4th, that is Roshni. Our next question is who authored the book titled A Song of India? And the correct answer is option number 2, that is Ruskin Bond. Our next question is the 2018 tiger census of which country entered into Guinness Record Book as the largest camera trap wildlife survey in the world? And the options are as follow. First, India, second, Sri Lanka, third, Brazil, fourth, France, and fifth, Uganda. And the correct answer is option number 1, that is India. Our next question is name the company which in collaboration with Council of Medical Research, National Institute of Virology developed India's first COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin. And the options are first, Indian Immunologicals, second, Biogenomics, third, Bharat Biotech. And the correct answer is option number 3rd, that is Bharat Biotech. Our next question is which is the first country in the world to officially register a COVID-19 vaccine named Sputnik 5? Our next question is which is the first country in the world to officially register a COVID-19 vaccine named Sputnik V? And the options are as follows. First, China, second, Russia, third, US, fourth, Germany, and fifth, India. And the correct answer is option number 2nd, that is Russia. Our next question is find the person who has been appointed as the 14th CAG of India. And the correct answer is गाइस मैंने 5th ऑप्शन शायद हाइड कर दिया था, तो 5th ऑप्शन गिरीश चंद्र मुर्मू भी है इस क्वेश्चन में, ठीक है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 5, दैट इज गिरीश चंद्र मुर्मू.
आई एम सॉरी गाइज, एक्चुअली मैंने बोला तो था कि मैं 80 to 100 क्वेश्चन प्रोवाइड करूँगी, बट मुझे भी कुछ काम पड़ गया, सो मैं इस वीडियो में वो क्वेश्चन अपलोड नहीं कर पाई. पर जो भी नेक्स्ट वीडियो होगी आई विल मेक श्योर कि जितने भी क्वेश्चन अभी के रह गए उनमें सारे लाइक इंक्लूड हो जाए. और आपको अभी इस वीडियो के बाद क्या करना है, जिन्होंने भी फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड पार्ट नहीं देखा है करंट अफेयर का, उनको वो सारे वीडियोस देखनी है. एंड जिन्होंने देख लिया है उनको रिवाइज़ करना है। एंड गाइस, जैसे मैं आपको सपोर्ट कर रही हूँ तो सामने से मैं भी चाहती हूँ कि आप मुझे सपोर्ट करें। तो आपको ये चैनल बाकी MNS एस्पिरेंट के साथ भी शेयर करना है। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, बाय।